Hi, I'm going to explain about spermatogenesis, which is the process of sperm formation and the hormones that regulating the spermatogenesis. First, you need to know what are the hormones involved in spermatogenesis. There are 5 hormones. First is the GnRH, gonadotropic releasing hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, the luteinizing hormone, testosterone, and the fifth one is the inhibin. What about the organs? There are 2 main organs that involve in spermatogenesis. The first one is our brain, and the second one is testes. The exact part of brain that involve in spermatogenesis are hypothalamus and anterior pituitary gland. While for the testes, where the sperms are produced, to be specific, the parts of the testes that produce sperms are seminiferous tubule. Let's identify the parts. The first one is the hypothalamus, and the second one is the anterior pituitary. So different hormones will be secreted by these 2 different parts of our brain. While in testes, the specific part is the seminiferous tubule that sperms can be produced. So this is where the seminiferous tubule in the testis is. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the relationship between hormones and organs. First, the hypothalamus will secrete GnRH. GnRH will stimulate the anterior pituitary to release 2 hormones. The first hormone is the LH hormone, and the second one is FSH. Okay, what are the effects of these 2 hormones? First, FSH will stimulate Sertoli cells in the seminiferous tubule to help in the spermatogenesis by providing nutrients to the growing or developing spermatozoa. While LH, the luteinizing hormone, will stimulate the Leydig cells, which is located outside of the seminiferous tubule, to secrete testosterone. When FSH stimulates the Sertoli cells, it actually helps the process of spermatogenesis to start. And the action of LH toward Leydig cell is to help Leydig cell to release testosterone, because testosterone is very important in spermatogenesis. At the same time, the secretion of FSH will also stimulate the secretion of inhibin by the Sertoli cells. Inhibin is very important in negative feedback mechanism during spermatogenesis. The negative feedback mechanism is also caused by a high level of testosterone. This will ensure that the hormones that stimulating the spermatogenesis will stop for a while to allow the development of the sperms. Look at this diagram. This diagram is actually a summary of how the hormones involved in spermatogenesis are affecting each other. Let's use this schematic diagram to explain the relationship of hormones in spermatogenesis. Hypothalamus secrete GnRH to stimulate anterior pituitary to secrete FSH and LH. The LH, luteinizing hormone, will stimulate Leydig cells to secrete testosterone. Testosterone helps in inducing spermatogenesis to occur. Meanwhile, the follicle-stimulating hormone is secreted to stimulate the Sertoli cells, which helps in spermatogenesis. Sertoli cells also secrete inhibin, which will inhibit the anterior pituitary through negative feedback mechanism. So, anterior pituitary will stop secreting FSH and LH. Another negative feedback mechanism is caused by high level of testosterone that will inhibit the anterior pituitary from secreting FSH and LH and inhibiting hypothalamus from secreting GnRH. This will ensure that the development of the developing spermatozoa is to occur specifically. This is to ensure that the spermatozoa is fully developed before starting a new cycle of spermatogenesis. I hope this helped.